Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 20, conjunctions.
Today we will learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases and sentences together. Some common conjunctions are and, but, yet, since, as, unless, till, or, because and so. Conjunction and is also used to join two or more related ideas. It is also used to shorten sentences. For example, Tom and Alex are going for a birthday party. Alicia's mother bought onions, potatoes and tomatoes. Conjunction or is used to express choice. For example, do you like tea or coffee? Conjunction but is used to express contradiction or difference. For example, Jack was prepared for his weekly test, but he could not go to school. They rushed to the movie hall, but still missed the movie. Conjunctions for, as, because, and since are used to explain the reason for an action. For example, Alicia has learned many dance forms for she wants to become a famous dancer. He ran away because he was afraid. Albert rode his bike to school as his car was snowed in. Since this t-shirt is too small for me, you can take it. This and till are used to give a condition. For example, I will go with you only if you promise to come to my house. You can never succeed unless you try. She cannot participate in this competition till she fills up a form. Conjunction so is used to show result. For example, I was tired, so I went to sleep.
Now let us understand this concept with your text exercise. Exercise number 1 is underline the conjunctions in these sentences. We have to find conjunctions from the sentence and underline that. If you fail once, you should try again. Conjunction is if. It was quite hot and the fan wasn't working. Answer is and. Suraj was tired yet he continued walking. Answer is yet. This and yet make two sentences into one. It is a joiner, means conjunction. Next is complete these sentences with and or but. Sentence number 1 is Rakesh turned dash left the palace. Answer is and. Rakesh turned and left the palace. Second is would you like coffee with sugar dash without sugar? Answer is or. Would you like coffee with sugar or without sugar? The traveler was tired dash hungry. The traveler was tired and hungry. Next is take the correct option in these sentences. As you can see, there are two options. We have to underline correct one. It rained or but we had a lot of fun playing indoor games. Answer is but. It rained but we had a lot of fun playing indoor games. Then would you sleep now and or finish the homework? Answer is or. Would you sleep now or finish the homework? Then third, the house is old but if beautiful. Answer is the house is old but beautiful. Next is complete these sentences using the correct conjunctions from the box. There are conjunctions given in the bracket. We have to identify that and put it into the given blank. First is you could tie your hair dash leave it open. You could tie your hair or leave it open. We can help you with dinner dash you are too busy. Answer is if. We can help you with dinner if you are too busy. Then we had bread dash cheese for breakfast. Answer is we had bread and cheese for breakfast. Then next exercise is join these sentences with the conjunctions in the bracket. There are conjunctions given in the bracket. We have to join with the use of that conjunction. First is it was cold, the fire kept us warm into bracket but. Then sentence it was cold but the fire kept us warm. The car stopped midway. It had a flat tire. Answer is the car stopped midway because it had a flat tire. The traveler was hungry. The man refused him shelter. Answer the traveler was hungry yet the man refused him shelter. We have to remove full stop and put the conjunction between two sentences. Then it will become one. Okay, so like this way you have to complete your text exercise. Now let us revise this concept.
Conjunction and is used to join or add words together in a sentence. Conjunction or is used to show a choice. Conjunction but is used to convey a contrast. Conjunctions for, as, because, and since are used to explain the reason for an action. Conjunctions if, unless, and till are used to give a condition.
Thank you.